Hi guys, Big Mix Models UK, quick update on some new bits that's come through, and well, okay, here we go. New compressor. I'll just spin it around. It's a Bambi, and it's the smallest one they do, and it's actually, let me just see if I can get rid of some air, see if I can get it to come on for you. But other than that, I'm got a bit of work going on my Hindenburg just there. Got that all started today. Well, a couple of days I've been on that now. And my junker, that's in work in progress. Compressor's trying to make me look a liar, it won't come on, but it has got a real big reserve tank on it. And what else is new today? Yeah, I've got a new model to show you. Just let me try and get this compressor to kick in. It's a hard task. Doesn't want to fire up, doesn't want to play games, but it is really quiet when it does come on. I know this is going to be a little bit of a poor quality video because of the light down there, but oh, come on. It really is not going well. Right guys, just bear with me 1 minute. I'm just going to put this camera down on here. And I'm going to try and empty this air a bit quicker so we can. There we go. It's on. It's just fired up. And that is it. Sounds like a fridge. So now I'll be shutting it off. And that's it. That is all you get. Not cheap. £321, but that was with a reducer valve for the 1/8 and an extra litre of oil. Yeah, I picked scoot round here. I picked the model up off eBay. I can remember somebody saying there was going to be a Vietnam group build. What about this? C47 Spooker. My monogram. Heritage Edition. This is a 1980s kit, and believe me, when I say it smells dusty, it smells dusty. But yeah, I just thought I'd share my new goodies with you. It's not very often I put my face on camera. So I'd like to say thank you very much to Cohen, Chris and Alex, Nigel Wells, Darren Shanks, Martin O'Neill, all you guys for subscribing. I don't know whether I'm in view, but hey ho, it's the way we go. And thank you for all the great comments on my first diorama. And I'll see you soon. Like I always say, like and subscribe. Happy modelling, guys. Cheers, catch you later.